Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Acts, and this is episode 213 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, we take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put the answers here for you. Today, we're on the Carnival Venezia in the piano bar. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can I get sugar-free ice cream in the MDR? Multi-device Wi-Fi plan, how does that work? Can I give Amazon gift cards as a tip to my room steward? Can we get my hair colored on the Luminosa? And they took my child safety scissors I always bring. Why?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser has a family member who needs to watch their sugar, and they will be cruising with them in the next year. They wanted to know, do they offer sugar-free ice cream in the main dining room? John said, yes, they do offer sugar-free ice cream in the main dining room. All you have to do is ask your server for it, and even if it's not on the menu, they'll still be able to get it for you. So all you got to do is ask, even if you don't see it on the menu, they will get it for you. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know about the multi-device premium Wi-Fi plan. They have 2 people in their room and 2 in another. It says for up to 4 devices. If they buy this for the 2 people in their room, will the 2 people in the other room be able to use it as well? John said it doesn't matter if they're in another room. It is actually based off your folio number. So as long as everybody's logging in with the same folio number, you'll all be able to use it. It used to say back in the day when they first rolled it out that you had to be in the same room, but that is no longer the case. It goes off your folio number. So if you'd like to buy it and you want to buy something for your friends, then you can. Just make sure they use your folio number. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser is heading out on a cruise soon and was wondering if the Amazon gift card is an option for part of their room, cabin steward, room steward, whatever they're called these days, tip. Can the crew make purchases using the Amazon locker in the port of calls? John said, what a lovely thing to do, and yes, they will definitely be able to use this as they do have lockers in the Miami area for the crew to collect. I think that's actually really cool because they can order what they want. They go to the Amazon locker when they get into port, bam, get their goodies. Great idea. Question 4. This cruiser is going on the Luminosa and was wondering if they had hair coloring services in their salon. They looked online and they couldn't find anything, so they're reaching out to the Yak for the proper answer. John said, yes, they do have hair coloring, spelled with a U because it's John, and hair treatments in their salons. I don't have much hair to dye, but I don't know. Is that something you would do? Would you go on a cruise and get your hair dyed? Leave it in the comments below. We would love to know. Last question. This cruiser just returned from a cruise out of Tampa and they'd always brought their child safety scissors with them. In all the 54 cruises they have taken, it's never been a problem. On this particular cruise, they were confiscated on embarkation. They wanted to know, has the rules changed about bringing the little child safety scissors on there that you can use for arts and crafts? John said it looks like port security probably have taken these and hopefully they can get them returned. They shouldn't have done so, he said. The rules have not changed. But each port, the port does the security. It's not Carnival at the ports that does it. So they may get a little overzealous and say, no, those are scissors, I have to take them. So unfortunately they did, but they are technically still allowed. I would say put them in your carry-on. This way, if you have a question or if port security has a question, you could open it up, show them that it's the blunt-nosed child safety scissors, and hopefully they'll let you bring them on. Anyway, that's been episode 213 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth from the Carnival Venezia. Take care.